guys, finally back with another video. I've been pretty busy, but you know, we're back. I hate retards, honestly, you know. Also, the fuck? I don't know. Anyways, you know, we gotta run a couple errands right now for these binguses. Now, I think I want to talk to you guys about something. How this car, the Civic Si, me personally, I feel like it's way better than the VB WRX. Now, some of you got you're most likely going to disagree with me, but I can assure you that I'm not talking about the power levels. I'm talking about the handling and track performance. So yeah, this handles way better than any stock VB. Like, I can take a corner at 70 miles an hour if I wanted to with this car that a VB can't. So I don't want to fucking hear it. Subarus are shit. Yeah, this car's pretty quick though. This has the cold air intake on it. 250. It's just a 250 Honda tune, 250 horsepower. So yeah, it's a beautiful day out though, you know. Good day for the drive. Almost stalled. Now this car does have 25,000 miles on it, so like, yeah, it's been driven. This is probably going to be my daily driver forever. I'm going to keep this car no matter what other car I get. So probably next car, M3 G80. So we'll see. Excuse the sun, by the way, it's like blinding. So right now I don't have any planned modifications to do with this car, but I'm thinking of getting like a license plate switch on and off cover. Probably tint. Oh shit. Wow. What the fuck? Yeah, as I was saying, license plate cover, some tints. Yeah, we'll see. But overall, this is a great daily. No complaints. The stock shifter's great. It's so smooth, so tactile, very stiff. I know you guys like stiff. So, yeah. My dream one day, stay tuned. I know this will happen, so you just got to keep going at it. But we're gonna take this to the Nürburgring in Germany, and we're just gonna go full blast, see how it handles. But yeah, miss you guys. It's been quite a while. Just been busy with other stuff lately, so the intake noise never gets old at all. I love it. what I'm gonna do in the future, actually? I'm gonna put an RB26 swap in this baby. How about that? That sounds like a fucking plan, right? Do you guys think that sometimes like life isn't real? Like right now I feel like life isn't real. Like I'm not existing. I'm not even driving the car right now. It's just a simulation. And there's idiots like that who like who go like this fucking 40 and a 50. Yeah. Ignore the speedo, it's wrong. This like shift knob, it's always bricked up. I don't know why. Like to me, I'm not gonna lie, that corner, that little roundy thing we took earlier, to me, this car handled way, way better than the VB WRX for some reason. Now, I don't know if this has, just because it has the 10th gen Type R suspension, so not sure. Making sure that guy does not want to race. Fucking kill him. Now, question of the day, or I should say, the question of the video for today. Wow, that sounds autistic. Anyway, would you guys rather pick a GTI or this car? Let me know in the comments. Holy crap, oh my god, the sun. Damn it. I need to go this lane anyway. so like freaking, oh my god. It's like a bolt action rifle. You just gotta wait for VTEC to kick in, you know? By the way, the rev hang and the turbo lag in this car is, it needs to be worked on. So now Honda does claim that the turbo kicks in around like 2,000 RPM. I don't fucking believe that at all. I feel like that's a big lie. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go run in real quick. I'll be right back. Don't leave anywhere or else I will get you. Also guys, I have a very special video coming up soon. Stay tuned. I think it's something you guys would never expect. Bit of rally racing right there. That's what happens when you fucking drive in Pennsylvania. They don't know how to drive. Who fucking merges on the lane at 5 miles an hour? I don't know. Look at this shit. By the way, this car has active DRS, so also, like I said, the next surprise video. DRS, special hint, the word DRS. Let me know in the comments what might think it is. My leg is itching. Car handles so good. The brakes are phenomenal. I don't know. I can never get rid of this. It's amazing. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a video now. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, you know what to do. Peace.